Hello everyone. I hope that you all are doing absolutely amazing. So today I am back with another vlog, and if you are new on my channel, so let me introduce myself. My name is Ravleen Kaur and I recently started this YouTube channel because in a month or a half I'll be leaving for Canada and I really want to share my journey with all of you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the upcoming videos. So honestly, I actually left my graduation. So prior to applying for the Canadian study permit, I was doing my graduation and I was already done with 2 semesters with a good CGPA score, and my third semester had just started. But in the starting of the third semester, it was already lockdown in my state and all over India. So I said to my father, I don't feel like continuing my education here in India because मेरा इस चीज़ में मन नहीं लग रहा. एंड ही वॉज नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन एज यूजल एंड वो अपना फेसबुक चलाने लगे हुए थे. तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, बात नहीं बनेगी. बट मैंने फिर से बोला कि पापा मेरा मन नहीं लग रहा, मुझे अब्रॉड जाना है स्टडी करने. एंड ही वॉज लाइक ठीक है, छोड़ दो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थॉट कि लाइक टिपिकल इंडियन डैड्स ही इज श्योरली टॉन्टिंग मी कि तूने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन क्यों छोड़नी है, ये वो एंड ऑल दैट, ऑल द नेगेटिव थाट्स. बट एक्चुअली आफ्टर 5 minutes उन्होंने अपने किसी नोन कंसल्टेंट को कॉल किया दैट माई डॉटर वॉन्ट्स टू गो अब्रॉड एंड उसने आइल्स करनी है. सो व्हाट आर योर चार्जेस, व्हाट आर योर क्लास टाइमिंग्स, प्लीज़ एनरोल हर. एंड आई वॉज लाइक सीरियसली, मेरे पापा मान गए इतनी जल्दी. So this is the backstory of a 5-minute decision. It was 24th of August, I remember, and it was just a 5-minute decision. Trust me, 5 minutes are nothing for such a big decision, but it was. As soon as I got done with my IELTS, we went to Canum Consultants for applying an offer letter. And when I went to them, they saw my profile, analyzed it, and they were like, your profile is so good, you should apply for the best college in Toronto. And I was thinking, which one is the best college, because all colleges in Toronto are really nice. There's no discrimination on that point. But they actually recommended me Seneca College. And luckily now I am enrolled in a 2-year business diploma at Seneca College, and I'm pursuing my studies since January. And the thing is, at that time they told me that Seneca College takes at least 30 to 60 days to send their offer letter, and it was already October. I was scared, or you may say I was थोड़ा सा डरी हुई थी बिकॉज जनवरी इनटेक वॉज नियर. एंड आई थॉट अगर 30 to 60 days ऑफर लेटर में ही लग जाएंगे तो मैं जनवरी इनटेक में कैसे जा पाऊँगी. मैं जनवरी इनटेक विल गो आउट ऑफ हैंड. बट फॉर्चुनेटली they sent me their offer letter in nearly 10 days, and it was 16th of October when I received my offer letter. So I received my offer letter and everything was going so smooth. And on 4th of November, I lodged my file for my study permit and सब कुछ सही चल रहा था. But then came biometrics and medical. So my medical was already done at SPS Hospital, Ludhiana on 21st of October. But the thing was biometrics. Because of the pandemic, the biometrics were closed and there was no sign of hope. So I was like, still ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा, सब भी, we are in this together. But on 20th of November, I saw a tweet that biometrics will be opening soon and you can actually book your appointment from 25th of November. So on 24th of November, midnight at 12 a.m., I sat with my laptop, started the booking at sharp 12 a.m. and I was sitting till 2 to 2:30 a.m. to book my appointment, but there was nothing like that. I was not able to book. So I again lost hope, went to sleep. And when I woke up in the morning, I saw a message that your appointment has been booked for 30th of November. and it was like a golden ticket, because 25th to 30th November there were only 5 days, and I was so happy and was feeling lucky कि मुझे मेरी अपॉइंटमेंट जो है within 5 days मिल गई. And I was like, one thing I forgot to mention that when I gave my biometrics on 30th of November, I usually heard कि GCK पे आपके biometrics जो है ना वो within 3 to 4 hours update हो जाते हैं, but that was not my case. In my case, I kept on checking my GCK, but वो update नहीं हो रहा था. After 4 to 5 days, it started showing we have not received your fingerprints. And I was so tensed कि how can this happen? Like, why haven't they not received my fingerprints? So we mailed them several times. We even mailed the IRCC High Commission at Delhi, and we also raised a web form. And it was 10th of December when my biometrics finally got updated on my GCK. And सो नाउ सब कुछ हो गया, बायोमेट्रिक्स हो गए, एंड आई वॉज होपिंग कि हाँ बस अब जैसे मतलब बिफोर कोरोना वायरस सबकी स्टोरीज सुनी थी कि विद इन 17 to 20 days ऑफ बायोमेट्रिक्स जो है आपका वीज़ा आ जाता है, आपकी PPR आ जाती है, मीन्स पासपोर्ट रिक्वेस्ट. तो मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है हमारी भी आ जाएगी, बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ. नवंबर गया, दिसंबर गया, जैन आया. आई वॉज बिकमिंग सो रेस्टलेस कि मेरी PPR क्यों नहीं आ रही, सबकी आ रही है जिन्होंने इन डेट्स में फ़ाइल लगाई है. सो समथिंग स्ट्रेंज हैपेंड विद मी विच ऑल ऑफ यू माइट नॉट हैव एक्सपेक्टेड कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है. दैट वॉज घोस्ट अपडेट. सो इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर आई विल शो यू, इफ़ यू हैव द GC की, तो वहाँ पे जहाँ पे स्टेटस आता है ना, वहाँ पे यू विल सी एप्लीकेशन और प्रोफाइल अपडेटेड. इट ओनली शोज व्हेन ईदर बायोमेट्रिक्स आर अपडेटेड ऑन योर GC की, और ईदर मेडिकल और एनीथिंग एल्स, या कुछ और अपडेट होता है. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. एप्लीकेशन अपडेटेड मुझे शो हो रहा था, मैंने ओपन किया, देयर वॉज नो अपडेट. And I thought, what is this happening? There might be a glitch. Then I googled what is ghost update, and there were many answers. I went through them and saw that कि लोगों ने लिखा हुआ है whenever you receive a ghost update, it means that a visa officer is working on your file. It was a time I realized कि finally my file is in embassy and a visa officer is actually working on my profile. After 30th of Jan, when I received my AIP, I saw another ghost update. एंड नाउ आई वॉज लाइक कि मैं बनी यूनिक सिचुएशंस के लिए, मुझे हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ यूनिक देखने को मिल जाता है. नो वन वॉज बिलीविंग मी दैट व्हाट इज़ घोस्ट अपडेट, व्हाट इज़ घोस्ट अपडेट. सो आई अगेन गूगल बाबा जिंदाबाद. सो गूगल किया मैंने, एंड आई केम टू नो दैट यूजुअली बिफोर PPR यू रिसीव 2 to 3 घोस्ट अपडेट्स. सो आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है, सेकेंड आ गया, अब थर्ड देखो कब आएगा. Then days passed, and it was 15th of Feb. No, wait, 14th of Feb, Sunday again, and the IRCC website was down, so I was not able to log into my GC key, but I was able to see again another ghost update. It was showing application profile updated. Now I thought what might have been updated, because everything was updated. It's the time for PPR now. So I was expecting कि might be a glitch because the site is under maintenance. So what happened is I messaged that thing into a college group where we help each other. So they said there's a that is a normal ghost update. So there's nothing to worry as the site is under maintenance. So ठीक है, बैठ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, हो जाता है. And then on 15th Feb, I was as usual doing my assignment, and I was sitting there. वहाँ पे बैठी हुई थी. It was 9:23 PM, exact 9:23 PM, when I received a mail, do not reply at cic.gc.ca. and मतलब वो एक ऐसा मोमेंट था जिसकी आई वॉज वेटिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 4 months कि कब आएगी मेरी PPR यार, कब आएगी. क्योंकि एक साइड होता है कि हमने शुरू कर दी है स्टडी अपनी, हमारे इतने सारे पैसे लगे हुए हैं, PPR कब आएगी, रिफ्यूज़ल ना आ जाए, ये ना हो जाए, वो ना हो जाए. बट उस टाइम आई वॉज नॉट हैविंग, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, एक ठिकाना नहीं था मेरी खुशी का, वैसी सिचुएशन थी. सो मैंने चेक किया, आई ट्राइड लॉगिंग इन टू माई GC की, वो लॉगिन ही नहीं हो रहा था. आई डोंट नो वाई, देयर वॉज अ लॉगिन लूप. माई फादर लॉग इन समहाउ, उन्होंने लॉगिन कर लिया एंड उनको शो हो गया कि कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस लेटर आ गई है. सो कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस लेटर इज़ लाइक बायोमेट्रिक वैलिडेशन लेटर, कि आपके बायोमेट्रिक्स इतनी देर के लिए वैलिडेट हैं. तो वो लेटर आ गया. उसके बाद वी कॉल्ड आवर कंसल्टेंट्स कि हमारी कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस लेटर आ गई है, अब क्या होगा. मैंने अपने ग्रुप्स में मैसेज कर दिया कि व्हाट इज़ कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस लेटर एंड आर देयर एनी चांसेस ऑफ रिफ्यूज़ल उसके बाद या नहीं, कुछ ऐसा, या कुछ नेगेटिव रिजल्ट आने के चांसेस हैं या नहीं. कंसल्टेंट्स ने भी वही कहा कि वेट करो और सबने ग्रुप में भी यही कहा कि वेट करो. And near about 10:09 or 19 p.m. I received another mail, do not reply, CIC mail. So I was so tensed, heartbeat was very fast, and as soon as I opened, my father was like, he jumped. It's original passport request, and that was the moment of true happiness when I received my passport request. And I so happy that finally after 4 months I am having my passport request in my hand, and I can't even explain that in words, but I will surely attach the reaction video after this so that you can see how happy me and my family was. After this, I filled the web form at that time, and I received the payment link after 3 to 4 days. After receiving the link, I paid the desired amount and got the pickup date of the next day. It was Saturday, and ठीक है, हो गया सब. उसके बाद Saturday my passport was taken by him, and next Saturday they returned my passport and the stamp was there. And I hope that you all liked this video. If you all liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family so that they can know what the actual procedure is. And comment down your views below. I'll surely check the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Stay safe and stay happy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unboxing Canada. नाम यहाँ पे आपको शो हो जाएगा. Follow me on Instagram for more updates.